Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying hardware compatibility and preparing a clean environment. Once done, install GPU Tweak Roman 3 as administrator and let the driver components finish. This prevents conflicts. Make sure to close any other overclocking utilities and create a Windows restore point so you can revert if needed. Next, launch the app, allow device discovery, and sign into or create an account if prompted so settings sync. These first actions reduce errors and get you into the main interface fast. You now perform the core tuning. Start with the default profile and save it, then switch to a new slot for gaming or OC. Increase GPU and memory clocks in 10-20 MHz steps and raise the power target by small percentages. This gives controlled headroom. Simultaneously enable the overlay and monitor temps, voltage, and FPS to see real-world impact. Once stable, fine-tune the fan curve to balance noise versus cooling, and use the built-in stability test to validate each change. You finish by saving the working profile and configuring it to auto-load with Windows or bind to hotkeys for quick switching. Then run an extended stress test for 30 to 60 minutes while watching for artifacts, throttling, or instability. This confirms long-term reliability. If you encounter crashes or graphical glitches, immediately revert to your saved default profile, reduce clocks by 1/2 of your last increment, and retest. Finally, make incremental changes and document settings so you can replicate stable results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.